This one is a pretty special one. Had a Spanish client come in. You know, he could barely speak English, which was no problem because he came in with the translator and he was typing into his phone. Then I'd type it back on my phone. Then eventually I was like, wait a minute. I have one of my Spanish employees give him a call, one of my guys on the team, and contacted him, let us know exactly what he wanted. He wanted the open face outside. This one, he's actually missing a tooth. So he couldn't do open face on here or else it would have showed the missing tooth. So on this one, what he did was just the open face, solid on the middle tooth, guys, for a spectacular piece. Something like this is about $350 included with the, you know, covering the missing tooth. We have to charge in that because it's extra labor going ahead and putting that together like that. Did that with the high polish, as you can see, and it comes for a phenomenal finish. This is him. Still got the gum lines, nice and tight, got the details on there so you can see the individual teeth. This one, like I said, is missing completely, and this thing is on there tight as possible. 3-piece. So these are all mainly done custom based on how you want them, and we so honored to be and blessed to be able to do this incredible custom work for you guys. So thank you for supporting us. Have a blessed week, guys. Stay positive, stay blessed. Peace out.